10 realities that will surprise you. Number 10. Mona Lisa had eyebrows. An art specialist named Pascal Cott had spent 3000 hours researching Mona Lisa and found out that this famous lady used to have eyebrows and eyelashes, but they have disappeared over time. He said that it probably might have happened during cleaning the paintings, which accidentally wiped away the eyebrows and eyelashes. Number 9. Hot water freezes faster than the cool water. This theory is named after the Pemba effect, which is named after a student from Tanzania in 1963. He found that his hot ice cream mix freezed faster than the cool ice cream mix. In fact, this theory was actually documented by Aristotle in 4 BC. Since then, there have been many theories that prove this effect, but the one which is more practical is explained by the researchers from Nanyang Technical University of Singapore. According to them, hot water freezes faster than cool water because the oxygen and hydrogen molecules are stretched due to the heat, causing the water to give up the energy faster and freeze faster. Number 8. Pigs don't sweat. Have you ever told by someone that you are sweating like a pig? Go tell them that it doesn't really make sense, because pigs cannot sweat. They do have sweat glands, but they are almost non-functional, even though they can be able to maintain the body heat through their skin and respiration. And also, we more often find them covered with mud, because the mud protects them from the sun and the heat to maintain the right body temperature. Number 7. It snows in Sahara Desert. It is the third largest desert in the world after Antarctica and Arctic deserts. Being the hottest desert on the planet, it is no less surprising to know that lately there have been snowfall happening at this place. For the first time, Sahara experienced snowfall in 1976 for 30 minutes, followed by second snowfall in December 2016 and third in January 2018. The head of Russia's Environmental Monitoring Agency explains it as a sign of increased global warming. The other astonishing fact is Sahara actually used to be lush and green about 6,000 years ago. According to scientists, tilt in the Earth's rotational axis has turned Sahara into a desert. Actually, Earth doesn't rotate similarly all the time. There is a slight wobble, and this wobble occurs once in every 20,000 years. And that is the reason why there are quite a good chances that Sahara will again turn back to a lushy green landscape after 15,000 years. Number 6. The most common name in the world is Muhammad. According to the 6th edition of Columbia Encyclopedia, Muhammad is declared to be the most commonly used name in the world. It is estimated that more than 150 million men and boys in the world bear this name due to its relationship to the Islamic prophet Muhammad. Number 5. Chocolates can kill dogs. Chocolates and other cocoa products contain a toxic component called theobromine. The darker the chocolate, the more theobromine, and the more harmful it is. The human bodies can metabolize the theobromine easily. Thus, it is not that harmful for us. Whereas, dogs process this chemical much more slowly. So, it stays in their bodies for a longer time, thereby resulting in vomiting, diarrhea, etc. Moreover, if large quantities of chocolate is ingested, the effects can be even more worse, eventually resulting to decreased heartbeat, and soon the dog can die. So dog owners, be aware. Number 4. All the continent names starts and ends with the same letters. I guess some of the smartest dudes out of you might have already paid attention to it. This coincidental nomenclature is simply because Latin is the most dominant language back then. Though each continent has its own story for its name, they were all feminine. As the feminine words in Latin ends with the sound A, every continent ends with the letter A, including Europe, which has got its name from Europa. Number 3. Spider webs were used as bandages in ancient times. In ancient Greece and Rome, doctors used spider webs to make bandages for their patients. Spider webs have natural antiseptic and antifungal properties, which can help keeping wounds clean and prevent infections. It is also said that web is rich in vitamin K, which promotes clotting in blood. Number 2. There are more trees on the earth than the stars in the galaxy. NASA estimates that there are between 100 billion to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy, but the paper published in the journal called Nature has estimated that there are roughly around 3 trillion trees on the earth. Number 1. Paper bags are more harmful than plastic bags. There is no wrong in believing that plastic bags are way harmful than any other carry bag because of its non-biodegradable nature. However, even paper bags have their own drawbacks. According to a research, paper bag production emits 70% more pollution and uses 4 times the energy that is used to manufacture plastic. Also, the medical studies say that paper bags carry more bacteria than the plastic ones. Keeping all these things aside, manufacturing the paper itself happens through cutting down trees, which sounds way more harmful than plastic bags being non-biodegradable. Therefore, the most appropriate choice should be using cloth bags. Don't you agree? So which of these facts that you have already known before? Mention in the comments. Wanna become more smarter? Then do subscribe to my channel. Also check my blogs, the link to which is mentioned in the description. Until next time, stay safe and stay tuned.